Hello guys, today I'm gonna answer the question what to do if your Roomba 105 stopped during cleaning. So I have few tips from the Gemini and now I'm gonna show it. Check for pause button. Every Roomba robot have a pause button, the home button, so check that you didn't just click this button. The next one, the battery and dock. Make sure the battery is fully charged and the Roomba is not stuck or an error. The next one, try to reboot your Roomba robot, the clean charging contacts and check for the obstructions. Sometimes you can have a problem if in the near of your Roomba dock station, like 50 centimeters, you have any object, the Roomba can just start and stop in the same place because he just feel by the sensors the problem. So try to clean the floor from any items and try to start again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment and goodbye.